Your battery is dropping fast, but changing 10 random settings usually hides the real cause. Instead, give me 5 minutes. We'll use the evidence already on your phone to separate heavy use, a runaway app, poor signal, a recent update, and an aging battery. Start with a normal day, not a day when you spent hours gaming or recording video. First, open the battery screen. On iPhone, go to Settings, Battery, then View all battery usage. On Android, open Settings, Battery, Battery usage. The exact wording varies by brand. Compare the last 24 hours with a normal day. Look for a sudden change, not just the biggest percentage. A video app being first after 2 hours of streaming is normal. Now tap the suspicious app and split its activity into screen time and background time. High screen time means your own use explains the drain. High background time is different. The app may be syncing, tracking location, playing audio, uploading photos, or repeatedly waking the phone. Update it first. If the pattern continues, restrict its background activity or remove it temporarily. Next, check the battery graph itself. A smooth slope during active use is expected. A steep drop while the screen is off points toward background work, weak coverage, heat, or a battery health problem. Also check whether the phone was recently updated or newly set up. Apple and Google both say indexing, downloads, and optimization can temporarily use more power after an update. Signal is the hidden clue many people miss. In a basement, train, lift, rural area, or crowded building, the cellular radio works harder and retries more often. Your battery screen may even label low signal or no mobile coverage. Test one comparable hour on strong Wi-Fi. If the drain falls sharply, the phone is probably fine. The network environment was the expensive part. Then check temperature. Navigation, gaming, video calls, charging, bright sunlight, and weak signal can combine into a hot phone. Heat increases power use and can accelerate long-term battery aging. Remove the case if it traps heat. Stop demanding apps, disconnect the charger, and let the phone cool naturally. Never put a hot phone in a fridge or freezer. Use battery saver or low power mode as a diagnostic, not a permanent disguise. It reduces background activity and some performance. If drain becomes normal with it enabled, software activity or display demand is likely involved. If the phone still loses power unusually fast while cool, idle, and in good signal, check battery health next. On iPhone, open Settings, Battery, Battery health. If you see service or significantly reduced capacity, replacement may restore normal runtime. On supported Pixel phones, open Battery, Battery diagnostics. Other Android brands provide their own diagnostics. Battery health matters more than a single percentage. Sudden shutdowns, swelling, or rapid loss while idle deserve professional inspection. Now make one change at a time. Update the problem app, restart the phone, and measure the same 2-hour window tomorrow. Don't force stop every app, disable all notifications, or factory reset immediately. Those steps destroy useful evidence, and a reset should be the last resort after backup, not the first response to a bad afternoon. Here's the safe order. Compare usage, inspect background activity, check the graph, test strong signal, cool the phone, use power-saving mode, then check battery health. That sequence tells you whether to change an app, your environment, or the battery itself. Save this guide for the next mystery drain, and subscribe to Everyday Tech Explained for practical fixes based on what your phone is actually reporting.